back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo juice bar, green apple juice recipe. I want you guys to enjoy the recipe, subscribe and leave a comment. You know what I mean? Sometimes it's good to have something different at home in the kitchen, all right? And with the family. So this is just a simple recipe, you know what I mean? You can go to the local shop or your supermarket, buy yourself some lovely green apple and some ginger and some lemon and come home and just blend it up and strain it and drink it and refresh your immune system. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo and I'm always giving you the best recipe in this whole world. I love you all. Stay tuned. Beautiful one, simple one. I'm going to make you guys a green apple juice today. All right, so first thing you need to get yourself some green apple, because that is the most important part of the whole thing, is some green apple. All right, so as I said, I'm going to make you guys a lovely green apple juice and it's going to be really amazing. So all right, get yourself a medium-sized apple and get yourself a blender, because you need a blender to blend this apple juice. Green apple juice with ginger. So I'm using 2 apple right here, basically. And I'm just cutting up the very small to put in the blender. And that is lovely and nice. Now, I'm going to get a lovely piece of a ginger. And I'm going to put it straight inside of it like this. And that is beautiful. Simple. We're going to get a lovely piece of a lemon and I'm going to put it straight inside of it. And we're going to just put some water inside of the blender like this, roughly about 2 large cups of water. Now we're going to simply cover it and we want to blend this up, you know what I mean, to get to the perfect way or we like to have it. So now blend for about 2 to 3 seconds. It's a little bit of nice. That is lovely and nice. All right. Now what we're going to do is just simple run it through our strainer, because we're not gonna have in the fiber. Oh, that's smelling really nice. You can put some organic honey inside of it if you like to, but I'm not gonna be using no organic honey. I'm just gonna be keeping it really natural and authentic like this. You can have some ice, but to be honest, you don't need no ice. It's cold time of the month now. Having ice is gonna be too much. All right, guys. Look at that beautiful apple juice. And these are some tips and ideas for you guys where you can have at home, you know what I mean? Instead of you went to the shop and spend £10 and buy some Wolipa, you know what I mean, fizzy drink, spend £10 and buy some apple juice, green apple, ginger, and lemon and all these things. All right, guys, once you do that, then next, just simple, pour the juice into a glass like this and drink it. Beautiful green apple juice recipe. All right, so as you can see it for yourself, please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. A simple recipe like this, guys, is so easy to make at home and you guys can definitely make that one. What do you think about it? Leave